Persons who are abusive, they are very, very deceiving persons. They are lethal in deception. And the story of Laban and Jacob, and how Jacob saw Rachael and he loved her, and he told Laban that he would work for 7 years for Rachael. And the Bible says that the 7 years were as in a few days, because he loved Rachael so much. And at the end of the 7 years, Laban dressed up his daughter Leah and gave to Jacob in the night. And when Jacob slept with the woman and he woke up, he saw that it was Leah. This is how persons with narcissistic personalities are. They are very, very deceptive. And when Jacob confronted Laban about it, he said, "In my country, it is not fit for us to give the second daughter first. It is not fit for us to marry off the second daughter first." And so Jacob now had to labor another 7 years for Rachael. This is what persons who are filled with deceptive spirit operates. Because Jacob said to him, "Why have you beguiled me?" They carry the spirit of the serpent. They are very, very deceptive. And Laban could have told Jacob from the beginning that no, it is not our custom to marry the second daughter first. And if he had said that, work 14 years and you can have Rachael, Jacob would have done it because of the love that he had for her. But Leah, because Laban knew that Jacob did not love Leah, he passed her on to him by deception. And this is what we're dealing with, a spirit of beguilement. If God does not open